Hello everyone, welcome back to Nyak YouTube channel. My name is Nyak. My dear brothers and sisters, my fellow South Sudanese, and especially my Nuer community across South Sudan, in Ethiopia, Kenya, Uganda, and around the world. On July 9, the day that South Sudan officially became an independent country in 2011, for many, this is a day of celebration, a day of waving flags, a day of singing, dancing, and calling it Freedom Day. But for the Nuer people, I ask you today, is this really a day of freedom for us? How can we celebrate independence when our people are still being killed? How can we sing song of victory while our mothers cry in silence? How can we wave a flag while our children are being bombed and poisoned and displaced? My brothers and sisters, the Nuer people are still under attack in their own country. We did not create war. We did not choose violence. But violence came to our home, to our villages, to our families. The South Sudan government in Juba, the very one that raised this flag on July 9, 2011, has turned its back on us. Instead of protecting us, they are targeting us. Instead of embracing us, they are isolating us. Instead of building a nation for all, they are building power for a few. They call this day Independent Day, but for many of us, this day only reminds us of betrayal. It reminds us of the promise made to us in 2011 and how all of them were broken. Let me be clear. The Nuer people are not enemies of South Sudan. They are South Sudanese. They have fought and they have died. We have sacrificed just like everyone else. We stood side by side with other tribes for the birth of this nation. But after independence, we were pushed aside, silent, targeted. Even now, in 2025, there are no families who cannot return to their villages, children who have never known peace, young men who are called rebels just because they defend their homes, and yet some politicians, some even from the Nuer community, are busy celebrating with those who have betrayed us. To those ungrateful Nuer politicians in Juba or in Kenya, Uganda, and Ethiopia, this is shame. Shame on you. While your people suffer, you sit in air-conditioned office and post fake peace messages. You enjoy salaries and position while your own people live in refugee camp and a swamp. You laugh at those of us who speak out, saying we are only making noise. But let me remind you, speaking the truth is not weakness. Silence in the face of injustice is betrayal. We speak because we must. We speak for those who cannot. We speak because the world must know the truth. Our youth did not start a war. They were attacking their villages. They were given no choice but to defend themselves, their families, and their land. That is not rebellion. That is survival. That is self-defense. If you want to know why some of our youth took up arms, go visit the burned homes in Unity State. Go see the mass graves. Go ask the mother who buried their children with their bare hand. And yet on this day, they expect us to smile, to sing, to wave the flag. But how can we celebrate when our people are still bleeding? My message today is simple. South Sudan cannot truly be independent until all its people are free, not just the powerful, not just the connected, but the poor, the voiceless, the displaced. The one in Bintiu, the one in Nasser, the one in Pangak, the one hiding in the bush, the one crying in silence. To the world watching, do not be misled by speeches and celebrations. South Sudan may be free on paper, but not in reality. Not for everyone, not yet. And to my fellow Nuer people, do not lose hope. Your voice matter. Your struggle is not forgotten. Your pain is real. And one day, justice will come. The same children they are bombing today may rise tomorrow as leaders. The same villages they burn may one day stand tall again. We are strong people, a proud people, a people who will not be erased. So today we do not celebrate. We remember, we reflect, and we speak the truth until there is peace for everywhere, until there is justice for every victim, until there is equality for all tribes. This Independent Day means nothing to us. Thank you for listening. Let the world hear us. Let our voice never be silent. May God bless the innocent. May God protect the Nuer people. And may God bring true peace to South Sudan. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I would like you to help me by subscribing, support the channel so that we can spread what is happening in Nuer people land, what our people are going through. Let be the voice of the voiceless. Let us stand tall to protect peace. Everyone loves peace. Nuer people, they deserve to live in peace. But we cannot celebrate Independence Day when our people are being bombed in their villages. It happened the day before yesterday in Mandang, and also again yesterday in Lungashuk, and it is still happening in Unity State as well. We need to spread what is happening. A voice that cannot speak only increase the suffering of his people. So if we stand together and we spread message of unity among South Sudanese, among our very own people, peace will prevail. But peace cannot prevail when a certain community is being targeted, and yet their leader is still under house arrest. Dr. Riek Machar is still under house arrest and is the only one that can bring back the peace in South Sudan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.